Have you ever wondered about the magnificent galleon ships that once ruled the seas, and the significance of the galleon trade that shaped the Philippines as we know it? Welcome to a journey back in time, where we'll explore the rich history and profound impact of these sea giants and the trade routes they established. Our story begins in the 16th century, during a time when the European countries was expanding, and the thirst for exploration was at its peak. The galleon ship made its grand entrance. Originating from Spain, these ships were the titans of the sea, known for their large, multi-decked design and robust construction. They were the perfect vessels for long-distance voyages, capable of withstanding the harshest conditions while carrying a large cargo and crew. By the mid-16th century, the galleon ship had become the backbone of Spanish sea power. It was used extensively in both war and commerce, marking a new era in maritime history. But the journey doesn't stop at the ship itself. The galleon trade, the trade route these ships embarked upon, played a pivotal role in shaping global history. The galleon trade was a sea route that connected Manila in the Philippines with Acapulco in Mexico. Established in the year 1565, this trade route was the first to connect Asia with the Americas, making it a crucial part of the global trading system. The galleon ships would carry goods such as silk, spices, porcelain, and precious metals from Asia to the Americas and Europe. This influx of goods and culture had a profound impact on these regions, creating a global exchange of ideas, culture, and commodities that we now refer to as globalization. The galleon trade was not only a significant economic venture, but also had profound social and cultural impacts on the regions it connected. The trade route facilitated the spread of Christianity in the Philippines, shaping the country's religious landscape to this day. Additionally, it led to the exchange of various cultural practices, cuisines, and even languages between the East and the West. The galleon trade continued for over 2 centuries, ending in the early 19th century. However, its impact is still felt today. The trade route led to the development of global trade networks and played a crucial role in shaping the modern world. It fostered a cultural exchange that has left a lasting legacy in the regions it touched. In summary, the galleon ship was a magnificent sea titan that dominated the seas during the 16th to the 19th centuries. It was instrumental in the galleon trade, a crucial trade route that connected the East with the West. This trade route not only had significant economic impacts, but also profoundly influenced the social and cultural landscapes of the regions it connected. So next time you see a depiction of these majestic ships, remember the significant role they played in shaping our world as it is today.